At 25, he had nothing. No money, no job, no one believing in him. People laughed and said, "Be realistic. Dreams are only for the lucky." He tried and failed, then tried again and failed harder. Some nights he slept with an empty stomach. Some days he felt invisible in a world that never noticed effort. Friends moved ahead, time moved fast, and doubt whispered, "Give up." But every single morning he stood up anyway. He worked when no one was watching. He learned while others were sleeping. He sacrificed comfort for growth. Silence became his routine. Years passed. One day, the same people stopped laughing. They started watching. Not because he was gifted, not because life became easy, but because he never quit. Remember this: hard work stays silent until success makes the noise.